but it's not as good because you need the fat.
You don't get more.
So always get the. I mean, if you have a liter or whatever, you can use it with lower fat. But definitely the best is full fat. Okay, so I'm almost there. You see, it's getting close to boiling point. This time you'll have to stir constantly, right? On all the surface. So make sure nothing in one corner is forgotten. So it starts. You can feel it. Okay, see.
Can I reduce it?
And then you add yogurt.
Then you add yogurt. You can also use lemon juice or whatever, but yogurt is best. And also the best is full fat if you can, but that's not the most important. The most important with the milk is 3.5. And then of course the temperature goes down because I'm pouring in this. And then you wait a little longer until it gets up, rises again. And you still keep stirring on the bottom. Now
How much quantity to add?
Oh, you do it until it curdles, and now you'll see.
So we added 1 liter of yogurt for 6 liters.
5 liters of milk.
Yeah.
But I'm not finished yet. We'll see when it starts. Now the temperature needs to get up again. But you have to keep stirring, right?
Okay.
So just leave, on full blast. Now it's in a little while it'll start rising again. But as I mentioned before to Vaishnavi here, you need to best to have a thick bottomed pan.
Thick bottom. Okay.
Yeah, because otherwise it burns very easily. You have something called soup pots, and they're very thin in the bottom, so they're not so good.
I think whatever I have is
This
thin.
one is a thick one, and that one too. So they're good for. Okay, so now it takes a little while before it picks up the heat.
Can I give you a chair?
It's fine. It's fine for me. No problem. It starts curdling a little bit, but it has to fully curdle. You can see, right? Over here. It starts curdling, right? But it's not enough now. We have to get the temperature completely up. And I'll show you. You'll see when it's fully curdled. Separates. When the whey separates from the solid parts. It's starting.
Beautiful. Where did you learn to make paneer?
Temple.
Huh?
In the temple.
Okay.
Yeah. So you see now it's picking up. Now it's starting to curdling fully, but I'll wait a little bit. It has to completely separate. So I'll just see once it's almost there. Almost there. You see the waters, the whey starting getting greenish.
Yes.
But it's not completely curdled. So almost now it's coming, just add a tiny bit more.
क्या पावा इसको फोन करके ये वाला क्लॉथ ला सकते हो बच्चे अच्छा बोलो ये क्लॉथ चाहिए था फोन करो मैं
Still not completely, so you can always add. It doesn't. I mean, it's not that you can put too much of the yogurt.
Oh.
So you don't have to be worried you put too much.
So we can add how much of a yogurt?
You add until it completely curdles, and it still needs.
Okay.
It's almost there. Almost there. You see, it's getting greenish. So it's almost a liter, right, for 5.
For 5 liters, you use full 1 liter.
Almost.
But all it depends on the curdling. We should just feel it that
you see
you can curdle more and we can add more of yogurt. Right?
I think it's okay now. You see, there's a little foam.
Yeah.
But basically it's green now.
separated.
Now you see how now it foams, but underneath here it's green. You see it's green?
Yeah, yeah.
Right, so that's okay. Just keep a little eye because it can still boil over, right? But the thing is, it's green
Can you
now.
text him?
Message कर दो.
क्या बोलते हैं वो?
Yeah,
Cloth.
yeah. It's okay now.
Is this also good for paneer? Because I saw this in Netto.
You can use it. You can use it. I have
ये
done
वाला
that
cloth,
before.
kitchen cloth.
I've done that. But the best thing is a real cheesecloth, thinner.
Yeah, we had it.
But it's okay. So, are you
Yeah.
careful? You take it. Now, of course, it's very, very hot, so you have to be careful.
Do you need help? Or
Oh no, that's fine.
maybe I'll start doing with a little amount first
Yeah,
and
of
learn
course,
it.
easier with a smaller amount, right?
Yeah.
But
Do you want a spoon?
and no, I don't want that.
No?
No. That's it.
Okay.
And now what I do now is I'll
So,
just let it.
Press it.
No, I won't press it right now. I'll just. Well, you can do that gently, but I'll just leave it here for a little while. And then what I'm going to do, then I can show you later. Cooking whatever soups, dals, whatever. Because it's full of vitamins
Yeah.
and the good stuff.
So you don't throw this?
No, I don't throw it. This is the way, right? This is the way. It's good.
वो
It's
protein
not-
powder इसमें से बनता है आपको पता है?
Yeah, it's got all
The protein powder,
the-
it's made from
all
this
the-
Whey
stuff.
powder.
हाँ जो vegetarian protein powder मिलता है, the protein powder, no?
Protein powder,
people
whey
use the
powder.
I don't.
bodybuilder.
Maybe it is. It
Yeah,
could be.
it's made from this process.
Probably it is. Yes.
What drink do you make actually?
Well, you just add
Cream.
sugar, maybe vanilla,
Vanilla, हाँ.
and then that's it. You can also use fruit, but I generally just use raw sugar and maybe some vanilla. So I got the paneer here, and then what you have to do, you have to apply some weight.
You know?
Right. So what I do is, but now of course you'll be careful that you have to make sure it balances, right? Because I got all the way here, and once I do this, all the liquid will come out. So you have to be aware to dry it up, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Now this is of course balance, right? You have to make sure it's. If you have something other heavy that was you could put on the cheese that was clean, yeah, you see now it
I'll
comes
keep it
out. Yeah. So.
Little fry, right?
No, I'll probably. So you know, it was not very long. It didn't have to be pressured for very long. You can do longer, but it doesn't need to. And then it's just cutting whatever size you want for the paneer.
How many guests are there? Bro?
This is 5 liters, right?
No, but how many? I mean, how many guests are we gonna
Guests?
hoping?
14 is the latest
Okay.
number I have.